Okay, here we go. Today we are going to be doing a disassembling and reassembling an Xbox controller speedrun. So we're trying to do this as fast as possible. And you know, I don't even think anybody's ever done this, so this could be the world record, whatever I get. You never even know. Put it in Guinness Book of World Records. Alright, so materials we have for this. First we'll start with the trusty. It's a flathead screwdriver, really small flathead. And yes. Then, now it's gonna sound crazy, guitar pick. Hold on, let me move the lighting. Guitar pick. And this is for you can't see it, to the grooves right here, you'll see, whatever. Alright. And for backup tools, I don't think I'll use these, but here's a Swiss Army knife. It's got, you know, it's got the regular knife, it's got screwdriver, all kinds of stuff. And there's a really, let me close it. This is like a tool thing, bunch of stuff like that. Now I need it. So just to specify parameters, this is my testing. I'm going to have to disassemble both of these back parts. These come off. See, there's the line where it attaches. Disassemble both of those. And there's two screws in each, and there's a screw in the middle. Unscrew all of that. Take the faceplate off, and then take this whole stuff off, and then put it back on. And then make sure that's all good, and then just basically reverse all those steps, put it all back together. So, and here's my phone for the timer. So, I think I should be ready. The first time I did it, this is actually my second try. The first time I screwed up or something, I don't even remember what I did. So, here we go. So, 3, 2, 1, go. Alright, first thing we're going to do is start with this side. Get the guitar pick. Pry it open. It's kind of hard to do. I'm having very good luck right now. Stop. Oh, there's my light. Alright, this thing should be open. There we go. I got it. Let me fix the light. Losing a lot of time. Hold on. Okay, there it goes again. Alright, first one off. Now the second one I actually probably use the screwdriver for, because it's easier. For some reason it's easier. There it goes. Alright. Now, this is going to be the longest part, so unscrewing all these screws. And, so, it's supposed to be kind of boring, so I'm going to talk about stuff, I guess. So, yeah, I made one YouTube video. It was ranking all 32 starting NFL quarterbacks. Let me make sure you can see the screws so you know I'm not cheating. And yeah, it was alright. It's not my proudest work, but ever since then I haven't really made any other videos. So I mean, people have been begging me to make videos, like all kinds of people have been begging me. So I think I would break the fast of not having any videos, and this will be my second one. And yeah, I mean, I just have, you know, being famous like I am, like a famous YouTuber like I am, is kind of hard. You got people coming up on the streets asking me when's my next video, and I'm like, well, I don't even know. Don't rush perfection. That's what I'm trying to say. Another screw out, and we're about to be onto the final screw. If I can even get the. There we go. Anyway. Trying to think of other stuff to talk about. March Madness started. My bracket's like only got a couple things wrong. My bracket's pretty good. Been some pretty crazy upsets with about this. I just went under the computer. Like VCU being North Carolina. I'm getting the middle one right now, and Wisconsin losing at High Point. It's been some pretty crazy upsets. I think there's actually a game right now. I think Wright State is beating Virginia. Going into the half. I'm not sure about that though. But I'm going to be done with this section. Alright, there's the last screw. Now we can take the faceplate off. Here's the transition period. Hold on. Got it out. Put it back in. Now we're officially assembling it now. Put the faceplate in. I can line up. There we go. Now, get all the screws. Put them back in. This part's kind of hard. It's kind of hard to line it up. There we go. First screw in. I just got to screw it in there. And I'm screwing up. Alright. Screw number 1 is almost in. There we go. Screw number 2. Put it same place, other side. Oh crap. Having problems here. I'm having trouble lining it up. Hand-eye coordination is not very good for some reason right now. It's okay. I'm not warmed up, you know, obviously. There's that screw. Okay. Let's get the tops. Like my hand's shaking. What's even happening? There we go. See a little bit better. I'm sure the audio quality in this video sucks because it's going through my laptop, and the mic there is notoriously bad, as you can see if you watch the ranking all quarterbacks one. It's terrible there. Okay, there's the last screw. The last screw is going to go into where the battery compartment is. There we go. See the hole. Then after I screw this one in, I'm going to have to pop the side panels back in. And that part, it's not too hard. None of this is really hard. But, you know, alright, I got that screw in, and my light's falling again. Alright. Here's this one. Pop it in. You hear like a snap. Sweet, you know. Dang. There we go, there's one. There's number 2. We're about to be finished. There we go. Stop. Alright, what time we get? We got 5 minutes and 18 seconds. That was pretty good. I mean, I'm sure I could go faster. As you can see, just to review, make sure I'm not like cheating or anything. The controller looks perfectly fine. Operable sets the back part being not on there, but it's just not really make a difference. So everything looks good. I think I did it right. And yep, there it is. So yeah, there it is. I know I'm a great mechanic, great engineer. I mean, you could submit this video to Auburn, and I get a scholarship for engineering there probably. I mean, this is a technical feat, as you know. It took a lot out of me to do, a lot of energy. I probably have to go take like a 2-hour nap now, but it's alright, it's fine. Anything for content. So that's about it, and I don't know when I'll make another video. I can't make any promises, and I know, as I said earlier, people will be begging me, but you just can't listen to them. You gotta go at your own pace. So goodbye.